Hello, I am Aniket from Tarkashastra Academy. In this video, we are going to understand a very important concept of IPMAT exam, that is numbers. Numbers की क्वेश्चन आपको IPMAT एग्जाम में डेफिनेटली मिलते हैं, ठीक है. सो बीट IPMAT इंदौर, IPMAT रोहतक, जिपमैट एग्जाम, आप कोई भी IPMAT एग्जाम इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम फॉर मैनेजमेंट आप चेक करो, वहां पे आपको नंबर्स मिलना ही मिलना है, ठीक है. So today we are not going to understand the whole number, but we are going to understand the cyclicity part of it. We are going to understand the cyclicity part of numbers. तो cyclicity part में हमको क्या क्या समझना है वो देखते हैं. Cyclicity part में क्या क्या समझना है. So cyclicity I'll explain you, but उसमें type of questions क्या है पहले वो देखेंगे, then we'll understand the concept. Cyclicity, one more important thing is in this year's IPMAT Indore exam, we had one question on cyclicity of numbers. इस concept के ऊपर question था, ठीक है. On this specific concept, just अभी जो exam हुई है उसमें question आके गया है. So let us understand what are the type of questions, and then let us try to understand the concept here. What we have to understand, first thing, find the last digit of 2 raised to 165. 2 raised to 165 will be a very huge number. कैलकुलेटर से भी कैलकुलेट नहीं होगा, बट उस नंबर का लास्ट डिजिट निकालना है. 17 raised to 87 will be a very big number. उस नंबर का लास्ट नंबर निकालना है. 23 raised to 234 का लास्ट नंबर निकालना है, ठीक है. तो ऐसे ये कंसेप्ट है. दिस साइक्लिसिटी कंसेप्ट हेल्प यू फाइंड आउट द लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ सच बिग नंबर्स. Moving forward, these are the type of questions that you can expect in the exam. IPMAT exam, JIPMAT exam, IPMAT Rohtak exam. You can expect such type of questions. ठीक है. So, let us first understand the concept. Followed by that, we will understand how to solve the questions. Remember one thing. Only last digit helps me find out the last digit. Only last digit helps me find out the last digit. Only last digit helps me find out the last digit. इसका क्या मतलब है? Let us say I have to multiply this 17 into 24. 4 sevens are 28. 2 carry. Then something will come here. Then I will add 0. And something will come here. Then I add these two. What do I get? 8. What do I get? 8. And something. Only to get this 8, only 7 and 4 help me. Enough. 1 and 2 did not help me find out the last digit. Okay, so that is what I am saying. जो कोई भी last digit रहेगा, only that will help me find out the eventual last digit. In a way, I am trying to tell you, if 12 raised to 85 I have to calculate, it will be similar to 2 raised to 85, because this 1 will not help me find out the last digit. As this 1 is not the last digit, it is not the unit digit, it will not help me find out the overall unit digit of the number. तो रेस टू 85 का जो भी यूनिट डिजिट रहेगा वही 12 रेस टू 85 का यूनिट डिजिट रहेगा, है ना. 17 रेस टू 47, 7 रेस टू 47 का जो भी यूनिट डिजिट रहेगा वही 17 रेस टू 47 का यूनिट डिजिट रहेगा, ठीक है. दिस इज व्हाट वी अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम द लास्ट डिजिट कंसेप्ट. ओके, दिस इज व्हाट वी अंडरस्टैंड बाय द लास्ट डिजिट कंसेप्ट. ओनली लास्ट डिजिट हेल्प्स मी फाइंड आउट द लास्ट डिजिट, ठीक है. Moving forward to the concept now. 2 raised to 1, it's 2. Let us start with the cyclicity of 2. If the last digit is 2, what will be the last digit of a very big number? Let us say 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 raised to 2, it's 4. So last digit 4. 2 raised to 3 is 8. So last digit 8. 2 raised to 4 is 16. So last digit 6. 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 is 32. Again it is repeating. 2 raised to 6 is 64. Again it is repeating 4, 4. 2 raised to 7 is 128. Last digit 2. Again it is repeating 8, 8. Okay. 2 raised to 8 is 256. Again it is repeating 6, 6. So what is happening? 2486 repeated. Again 2486 repeated. So 2 raised to 9, it will be 512. Last digit 2. Again 2 is coming. 2 raised to 10. 2 raised to 10 is 1024. So last digit 4. And it will keep on repeating in a cycle of 4. 2486, 2486, 2486 ऐसे cycle बनते जाएगी. That is why the cyclicity of 2 is 4. That is why the cyclicity of 2 is 4. ठीक है, आप देखोगे तो 2486, 2486, 2486 रिपीट होते जाएगा. ठीक है, cyclicity अभी 4 की है. Let us try to implement it. तो 2 raised to 83 का लास्ट डिजिट क्या रहेगा? 2 raised to 83 का लास्ट डिजिट क्या रहेगा? So what we do, I am telling you the process, then I'll tell you what actual process in terms of formula is. So 2 raised to 83 का मुझे लास्ट डिजिट निकालना है. It will be 83. It will be 83 divided by cyclicity of 2. It will be 83 divided by cyclicity of 2. And it will be 83 divided by cyclicity of 2. What is the cyclicity of 2? It is 4. Cyclicity of 2 is 4. This gives me the remainder as 3. This gives me the remainder as 3. And this gives me the remainder as 3. Okay? Now, 2 raised to 83 का जो लास्ट डिजिट रहेगा वही 2 raised to 3 का लास्ट डिजिट रहेगा. 2 raised to 83 का जो लास्ट डिजिट रहेगा वही 2 raised to 3 का लास्ट डिजिट रहेगा, which is 8. है ना? Which is 8. Which is 8. है ना? Now let us try to understand why is this happening. So 2 raised to 4 का लास्ट डिजिट is 6. Again a cycle of 4 will being that 2 raised to 8 का लास्ट डिजिट will be 6. 2 raised to 12 का लास्ट डिजिट will be 6. 2 raised to 16 cycle of 4 12 के बाद 16. 2 raised to 16 लास्ट डिजिट 6. 2 raised to 20 last digit 6. 2 raised to 40 last digit 6. 2 raised to 18 last digit 6. And once we come here, now the cycle repeats. 2 raised to 81 last digit 2. 2 raised to 82 last digit 4. 2 raised to 83 last digit 8. 2 raised to 84 last digit 6. 2 raised to 85. 2 raised to 85 last digit 2. 2 raised to 86 last digit 4. And it will go on, it will go on, it will go on. Correct है? कोई दिक्कत? I hope ये समझ में आया होगा. What is happening? After every 4, the cyclicity is repeating. So what we are doing? We are taking out the number of repetitions of 4. We are taking out the number of repetitions of 4. And we are concentrating only on the remainder. So whatever is the remainder, that is the final answer. So the process is n to the power p is the number. We want to find out the last digit of this number. What do? We find out the remainder of p divided by cyclicity of that number n. And a cyclicity of that number n. Let us say it comes out to be r. So n to the power p will have the same remainder as n to the power r. N to the power p will have the same remainder as n to the power r, which in turn will give me the last digit. This is what you have to do. Okay, let us try out for another example. I want to find out 12 raised to 42 का last digit. 12 raised to 42 का last digit. As I told you, only last digit helps me find out the last digit. So this will be 2 raised to 42. This will be 2 raised to 42. And 12 raised to 42 the last digit will be 2 raised to 42. Now that we have 2 raised to 42, now that we have 4 raised to 42, what do? We take the power p divided by cyclicity of 2, divided by cyclicity of 2, that is 4. And we find out the remainder, which is 4. We find out the remainder, which is 4. No, we find out the remainder, which is 2. 42 divided by 4, remainder is 2. So the last digit here will be 2 raised to 2. What is the last digit of 2 raised to 2? It is 4. 2 raised to 2 का last digit is 4. 2 raised to 2 last digit is 4. As simple as that. Okay. Let us take one more example. Now let us try to understand the cyclicity of 3. Okay, cyclicity of 3. Erasing this. So 3 raised to 1 is 3. 3 raised to 2, last digit 9. 3 raised to 3, 27, last digit 7. 3 raised to 4, 81, last digit 1. 3 raised to 5, 243, last digit 3. 3 raised to 6, 729, last digit 9. If you observe, it will repeat 3971, 3971, 3971. It is going to repeat as it is. ठीक है, तो रिपीट होते जाएगा. So 3971, 3971, it will repeat. Again, 3971, cyclicity is 4. Cyclicity is 4. How do we calculate? Let us say 43 raised to 87. I want to find out the cyclicity of this. Okay. So 3 raised to 87. 3 raised to 87 का last digit will be similar to 43 raised to 87 का last digit. ठीक है. Why? Because only last digit helps me find out the last digit. Now, what we do? Power divided by cyclicity. Cyclicity कितने की है? 4 की. We find out the remainder. The remainder is 3. So 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3. Overall, the last digit of 3 to the power 3 is 7. So this is going to be the last digit of 43 to the power 87. Okay. The process is same. Here also n to the power p है. So p divided by cyclicity of n. इसका remainder निकालेंगे. It will come out to be, let us say, इसका remainder निकालेंगे. वही किया है हमने. Now you must be wondering, हर नंबर का cyclicity 4 का होता है क्या? नहीं. हर नंबर का cyclicity 4 का नहीं होता है. Moving ahead, let us look at the cyclicity of 4. 4 raised to 1, last digit 4. 4 raised to 2, 16, last digit 6. 4 raised to 3, 64, last digit 4. 4 raised to 4, 256, last digit 6. And it will go on. 4 raised to 4, 256, last digit 6. And it will go on. Correct? Now, what we are observing, the cyclicity is of 2 only here. The cyclicity is of only 2 over here. ठीक है. अभी cyclicity इसकी अगर 2 आती है, अगर इसकी cyclicity हमारी 2 की आती है, तो what will be the remainder of last digit of 4 to the power 41? 4 to the power 41. What we will do? 41 divided by the remainder of 41 divided by the cyclicity of 4, which is 2. It gives me the remainder of 1. It gives me the remainder as 1. So 4 raised to 1, last digit 4. 4 raised to 1, last digit 4. This is how you calculate the last digit of any number. Okay, now we will understand it for each and every digit. Followed by that, we will solve the questions that I had shown. Okay, so let us try to find out the cyclicity of each and every digit. Let us start with 0. 0 raised to 1 is 0. 0 raised to 2, last digit 0. 0 raised to 3, last digit 0. So cyclicity is of 1. Every time it is going to be 1. Okay, 1 raised to 1, last digit 1. 1 raised to 2, last digit 1. 1 raised to 3, last digit 1. So cyclicity here is also 1. Every time the last digit is going to be 1. Moving forward, 2 raised to 1, last digit 2. 2 raised to 2, last digit 4. 2 raised to 3, last digit 8. 2 raised to 4, 16, last digit 6. 2 raised to 5, 32, last digit 2. 2 raised to 6, 64, last digit 4. So here the cyclicity is of 4. Okay. 3 raised to 1, last digit 3. 3 raised to 2, last digit 9, 3 raised to 3, last digit 3 raised to 3 is 27, last digit 7, 3 raised to 4, 81, last digit 1, 3 raised to 5, 243, last digit 3. It is going to repeat from here. So cyclicity is of 4. 4 की cyclicity देखते हैं. 4 raised to 1, last digit 4. 4 raised to 2, last digit 16. 4 raised to 2, 16, last digit 6. 4 raised to 3, 64, last digit 4. So here the cyclicity is going to be of 2. 5 की cyclicity. 5 raised to 1, last digit 5. 5 raised to 2, last digit 5. 5 square 25, last digit 5. 5 raised to 3, 125, last digit 5. So 5 का कोई भी पावर रहे, last digit आपका 5 भी आने वाला है. Here the cyclicity is of 1. Coming forward, 6 raised to 1, last digit 6. 6 raised to 2, 36. Again last digit 6. 6 raised to 3, 6 raised to 3, 216. Again last digit 6. So here also the cyclicity is of 1. Moving forward, 7 raised to 1, last digit 7. 7 raised to 2, 49, last digit 9. 7 raised to 3, 343, last digit 3. 7 raised to 4, 2401, last digit 1. 7 raised to 5 will again give me the last digit as 7, because this 1 into 7 will give you last digit 7. Here also the cyclicity is of 4. 8 की देखते हैं. 8 raised to 1, last digit 8. 8 raised to 2, 64, last digit 4. 8 raised to 3, 512, last digit 2. 8 raised to 4, 4096, last digit 6. 8 raised to 5 will be 6 into 8, 48. Again 8 will repeat. Here the cyclicity again will be of 4. 8426, 8426, and so on. And last will be 9. 9 raised to 1, last digit 9. 9 raised to 2, 81, last digit 1. 9 raised to 3, 729, last digit 9. So here the cyclicity is of 2 only. Okay? The formula is n to the power p का last digit निकालना है. So we find out remainder of p upon cyclicity of n. P upon cyclicity of n, which gives me the remainder as r. So n to the power p का remainder last digit will be n to the power r का last digit. ठीक है? Pause the video and write it down. ठीक है? We are going ahead. ठीक है? Moving forward, we have to find the last digit of 2 raised to 165. Pause the video. Try to solve each and every question here. Okay? So A part is 2 raised to 165 and last digit, what it will be? What we do? Power divided by the cyclicity, which is of 4. So the remainder is 1. Yes or no? Remainder is 1. 165 divided by 4. If you calculate, you get remainder 1. So 2 raised to 1 का जो last digit रहेगा वही रहेगा. What is the last digit? 2. The last digit is 2. Correct? Last digit is 2. है ना? Moving forward, B part. 17 to the power 87. If you have understood the concept, then it becomes very easy. And if you have understood the concept, then it becomes very easy. If you have not understood the concept, then it becomes difficult. So watch the video again if you have not understood the concept. Okay, 17 to the power 87 will have the same last digit as 7 to the power 87. Why? Because this 1, which is at tens place, will not help me find out the unit digit, or it will not help me find out the last digit. Okay? Now what we do? 87 divided by cyclicity of 7. 87 is divided by cyclicity of 7, which is 4. It gives me remainder as 3. And it gives me the remainder as 3. So Oh, 7 raised to 3. Whatever is the last digit of 7 raised to 3 will be the last digit of 7 raised to 87, which will be the last digit of 17 raised to 87. 7 raised to 3 is how much? 343. So last digit is 3. Last digit is 3. Moving forward to the C part. 23 to the power 234. 23 to the power 234. Okay. 23 to the power 234. How do we calculate that? 3 to the power 234. Whatever is the last digit of this will be the last digit of this as well. So 3 to the power 234. What do we do? 234 divided by 234 divided by remainder divided by cyclicity of 3. And 234 divided by cyclicity of 3. What is the cyclicity of 3? It is 4. What will be the remainder? Remainder will come out to be 2. Remainder will come out to be 2. So 3 raised to 2, that is last digit 9. 9 is the last digit of 3 raised to 2, which is in turn the last digit of 3 raised to 234, which is in turn the last digit of 23 raised to 234. Okay. So we have solved all the questions. 17th wala rahega. Answer is 3 and 23 raised to 234. Answer is 9. Moving forward to the type of questions that are asked in IT MAT exam. Let us try to solve it. Okay. So what we have, A part is 74 to the power 47 plus, no, A part is different. A part is different. A part is 47 to the power 74 plus 74 to the power 47 plus 74 to the power 47. इन दोनों का लास्ट डिजिट निकालना है and then you have to find out the overall last digit. So 7 to the power 47. So, last digit of this will be equal to 7 to the power 74. How do we calculate it? 74 divided by cyclicity of 4. Cyclicity of 7, which is 4. So remainder comes out to be 2. So 7 raised to 2 का whatever is the last digit, वही 7 raised to 74 का last digit रहेगा. Which means the last digit here is 9. Okay, last digit here is 9. Moving forward, 74 to the power 47, 74 to the power 47. It will be similar to 4 to the power 47, 4 to the power 47. Now, 4 to the power 47. What do we do? 47 divided by cyclicity of 4, which is 2. Cyclicity of 4 is 2. Turn the pages and check. Cyclicity of 4 is 2. And we get the remainder as 1. So it will have the same remainder as 4 to the power 1, which is 4. Same remainder as 4 to the power 1, which is 4. So now, how will we get the numbers? Something, 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 ending with 9, plus something, 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 ending with 4. What will be the overall last digit? It will be 3. 9 plus 4, 3. And 1 will get carried away. And then 1 will get carried away and will get some number. So last digit of this is going to be 3 only. Last digit of this is going to be 3 only. Okay. Moving forward to the B part. It is 123 to the power 225 multiplied by 625 to the power 125 multiplied by 29 to the power 111. Okay, I am continuing with the questions. You have to pause the video, try it yourself. है ना? अगर आप खुद से try नहीं करोगे ना, you will not understand the concept. Only on my teaching skill, you are not going to clear the exam. In IIT MAT exam, you get such type of questions, so you'll have to practice it. ठीक है? You will be finding it कि यार ये तो continuous पढ़ाते जा रहे, but it is a recorded video. You can pause it. ठीक है? तो करो pause. ठीक है? So we have to find out the last digit of this. Simple. 23, 123 to the power say 225 will have same last digit as 3 to the power 225, which will have 225 divided by cyclicity of 3, which is 4, the remainder comes out to be 1. 224 divided by 4, remainder comes out to be 1. So 3 is to 1, last digit is 3. So it will be a number ending with 3. It will be a number ending with 3. Then we have 625. It will have the same last digit as 5 to the power 125. But cyclicity of 5 is 1 only. 5 to the power anything, my last digit is 5. 5 to the power anything, my last digit is 5. So something. This number is going to end with 5. Okay. And then we have 9. So 9 to the power 111. 9 to the power 111 will have the same last digit as 29 to the power 111 because 2 will not give me the answer. Okay. Now 9 to the power 111. What we do? 111 divided by cyclicity of 9. Cyclicity of 9, turn the pages and check. Cyclicity of 9 is of 2 only. Cyclicity of 9 is of 2 only. Remainder comes out to be 1. So 9 raised to 1, last digit will be 9. So it will be a number ending with 9. So we have got 3 numbers ending with, one number is ending with 3, other number is ending with 5, and last number is ending with 5. Now 3 into 5 will give me another number ending with 5. 3 into 5 will give me another number ending with 5. You do it. 5 into 3, 50, number ending with 5. 5 into 13, 165, number ending with 5. 5 into 23, 115, number ending with 5. So 5 into any number ending with 3 will give me number ending with 5. Similarly, if I multiply this number with number ending with 9, 5 into 9 will give me a number ending with 5 only. And 5 into 9, 45, number ending with 5. 5 into 19, 95, number ending with 5. So you are going to get the answer last digit as 5 only. There is a shortcut to this question as well. We are not getting into it. But this is the overall concept of this. For the shortcut, you need to understand 2-3 couple of more concepts. So we'll understand it in the actual session, in the actual video. But then I hope you have understood the basic concept of cyclicity. Cyclicity, as I told you, a question was there on cyclicity in previous years paper. Okay, so cyclicity is an important concept. IPMAT exam definitely gives you questions on numbers. So make sure that you attempt it properly. If you have any query, do let us know. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.